हाँ हाँ वहीं से करे ना, नहीं करे, एक मिनट में देखता हूँ। अरे एक मिनट रुको यार, भूल गया होगा शायद। ज्वाइन हुआ, दो स्टूडेंट तो ज्वाइन हो गए, मैं कॉल करता हूँ।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My audio is clear.
Yes, sir. Your audio is clear. You can start class today. Your AutoCAD.
When we have to start, we have to start or else we have to wait.
No, sir. We have to start the class. That's why 5 minutes is crossed from the exact time, and almost students has joined.
We start at 5:35.
4 students have joined right now.
Yeah. Alhamdulillah. Yesterday we finished AutoCAD class of meter class. We finished it yesterday. Now today we will start uh, in fit. How to draw a drawing using fit. Okay. First of all, when we open AutoCAD software, in that we have to make some settings. Previously we did meter settings. You can able to see this file is in meter. Okay, you can able to see here value is 0.000. Okay, this is new file. Okay, in previous file we did whole settings in meters. Now I am doing a setting in feet. Okay, now you have to select units. Okay, drawing units. Here you can able to see type you have to keep architecture. Okay, in this you have to keep 0 feet, half inches. Okay, here inches is there. Okay, here international. Okay, then again you have to took text style. Here same thing you have to give. Last time we given here Times New Roman. Now I am giving here Vardhana. For text we can able to use any kind of text. Okay, what you feel which text is good, you can able to use. Here different types of text is there. You can able to use anything. Okay, here you have to give 9 inches. Okay, set current, apply, close. Okay, now yes, drafting setting, you have to select all, and here you have to see object snap on. You have to keep right over here, and object snap tracking, this also you have to keep on. Select all, then okay. Okay, Then you have to take D, dimension style management. First you have to do set current, then you have to come in modify. First you come in primary units. You have to take again here architecture, and you have to give this 0 feet 0 inches. Okay, 0 feet half inches. See what is the changes in this drawing when we are selecting this one. If you want to keep, you can keep like this only. Okay, now in text, okay, no issue. Symbol and arrows, again you have to select here oblique. Okay, see, then in lines, continuous line. Here if you want to give any kind of width, you can able to give. Same thing here also. Okay, set current, close. Now to see where is x-axis and y-axis is there na, you have to see here 0 feet 0 inches. You can able to see my screen na. If you can't, you can able to tell me. Now see here UCS icon. This one x-axis and y-axis is coming on display. Again I am doing UCS icon. Okay, on origin. See, it's at same place. Now you have to give Limax, LIMMAX, for your screen size. Now I am giving here 1000 feet, comma 1000 feet. Okay, hit enter, hit enter. Okay. Now the whole lines, whole setting, it came in feet. You can able to see here 0 feet, 0 inches. Okay. Now today, by using rectangle command, okay, RAC, I given here rectangle. I am taking the value. I am taking the value 55 feet, comma 46 feet. Sorry, RAC 55 feet, comma 46 feet. Okay. If you want to check, you can able to check dimension by using DLI. First corner to second corner. Okay. See here. Here 55 feet and here 46 feet. Okay. Now in this, last time in meters we will give outer wall size how much? 0.25. In this we are giving 9 inches. Okay. Outer wall size 9 inches. Now we have to separate this line by using explode command. X enter. See, now it's separate. Now I am taking offset 4 feet. From here, and from here. Okay, now the same outer wall size 9 inches. Split again. Okay, offset. Now I am giving room size that is 11 feet. Now inner wall size, you can able to give inner wall size 6 inches or else 4.5 inches. Now I am giving here 6 inches. Okay, trim here also same thing, offset. Now 10 feet. Again 4 feet 6 inches, 4 feet 6 inches. Now here I am giving again 4 feet 6 inches. You have to check this room size 11 by 11. Okay, now we will give this room size 10 feet. Okay, just I am moving 1 feet over in top. See, sorry, by using dimension command, you have to trim again. Sorry. You have to use trim in between two lines. Okay, now just I will increase, I want to increase this line up to here. I will select this corner and just press S. S means stretch. Okay, stretch shortcut key was S. Okay, just I am selecting this corner and you can able to see. I did not given any kind of dimension, just I took select from this corner to here. Okay, now here I will give distance that is 12 meters, 12 feet, sorry, again 6 inches. Now I am giving the value 20 feet. Okay, here how much? Outer wall 9 inches. Now using flit command, I will attach the wall. You can able to trim this one. Now you have to check how much this gap. You can able to use by dimension command. It's 4 feet. Here also you can able to see 4 feet, and here also you given 4 feet. Okay. Now I will do here trim again. Now I will do offset, that is 12 feet 6 inches top. Inner wall size 6 inches. Okay. Now you have to check how much this distance. Okay. Now I will give here 10 feet. 6 inches offset. Now I will give here for kitchen 11 feet 6 inches. Okay. Now I will give outer wall size 9 inches. Okay. I am extending lines. Okay. Offset 9 inches. Enter, enter, fillet. Here also I will do flit using flit command. Okay. Now Now here I will give one shape. Like in previous drawing we took by using chamfer we did cross line. Now I am using flit command over here. Okay. F enter, M enter, selecting these two lines. Okay. Just I am moving down, offset 9 inches. Okay. F enter, M enter. For this one also same thing. Okay. See. Can able to delete this line. Okay. Now this is our one portion. I'll show which room we draw. Okay, we have to take here also one offset for washrooms, 7 feet. And here 1, 2, and 3. What is inner wall size? That is 6 inches. Okay. Now I'll do trim for this, for this. Okay, for this, and this. Just I will increase this one. Here also I will increase. I'll remove this one. Okay. Now I will use split command over here. See, F enter, M enter. Here also I am using. I think now you guys can able to understand easily. I have to take here door, that is D1, that is 3 feet. Okay, you have to move over here something little bit. Why? Because you have to show here also gap. Okay, now I am doing trim. Okay, like this. This shape you have to show in every corner. Okay. Now here I will give washroom door size, that is 2 feet 6 inches. Okay. If you want to move, you can able to move little bit up. Okay. Here also something. Outside 2 feet 6 inches. Same thing over here also. Better you have to take the straight line. Just copy over here the same position. 2 feet 6 inches. Okay. You have to make trim, and here also same thing. Offset 2 feet 6 inches. Okay. Now we have to show here also one door opening, that is D1, offset 3 feet. Okay. Here we have to give one another room, that is for wash area, that is 3 feet. We have to show inner wall size, that is 6 inches. Okay. Here also same thing. You have to give the door size, that is offset 2 feet 6 inches. Okay. Or else you can able to take 2 feet 9 inches. Same door you have to copy over here also. Okay. Now here you have to show some dining area. You have to select and mirror. Okay. Same as well as here also. Okay. Now here you have to show D1 value, the door opening. Set it is 3 feet. Okay. Now set. Now here we are showing main door. In meters we will provide main door size, that is 1.2, but in feet we have, in architectural you have to show 4 feet. We have to take half, that is 2 feet from here and from here. Okay, it will come in center. Okay. As it is, you have to show a stairs, that is 4 feet from here. Okay, just you have to take any line over here. Okay, nearer to door. Now the step size, that is 1 feet. In meters we will provide here zero point 0.3. Okay, we have to do flit now. Printer emitter. You have to do trim. Okay, this is your staircase. Now you have to show here a main gate entrance. Okay, that you have to take from center. If you want to give 10 feet or else 12 feet, okay, as per that we have to give. But uh, main entrance we could not able to give gate. Why? Because we could not able to take any kind of vehicles from this area. This area was little bit good. Why? Because this is somewhat large. That's why we will move our gate up to here. We will provide 12 feet gate. Okay. See, this is our gate area, and you have to show a road size. Just you have to take a single line from here, this corner, and just you have to mirror it. Just you have to copy these two lines. Okay, J enter. Now you have to rotate this whole drawing by using rotate command. Okay, you have to stretch little bit. Easily we can able to stretch. Okay, same thing here. We have to take a break line command. We have to show over here breakline. See, this is too small. Okay, we could not able to see that cutting. Okay, again you have to take break line. Just you have to change this, check your size, how much? 0 inches. We will give here 9 inches. Okay, now select line C. Okay, okay, as well as the window size. Window size we will show 4 feet, comma, how much wall thickness, that is 9 inches. Okay, again you have to use multi-line command over here, and you have to check the size again, how much. See here, 1 inch is there. You have to take 5 inches. Enter. You have to check the lines is it will come in center or not. It's just you have to check the justification. J, enter. Yeah, see, when I'm taking 5 inches, it's showing like this. Okay, we did not want. Again you have to go multi-line command. You have to give scale size, that is how much we will give, 9 inches. Again you have to check. Okay, see, 9 inches means it will showing a whole wall. Okay, better you have to take half. Email, enter, s, enter. 4.5 or else 6 inches. See, now also it's showing too much. Email, enter, s, enter. 4.5. Okay, now also it's showing something. Okay, as per you, how much you can able to give here value, you can able to give. Now I am providing this value. Okay, I'm showing a window over here. Okay, the same thing I'll copy over this side. Okay, now you have to give a ventilator. What is the ventilator size? Ventilator size was 2 feet comma 9 inches. Okay, again you have to take millimeter. In meter we will provide 0.6, but in feet we have to give 2 feet. Okay, if you have converter, you can able to convert meter to feet. Okay, now you have to give here rectangle 9 inches comma 4 feet. Okay, for this side. Okay, email, enter. Okay, now just you have to move according to inner wall center. The same I'll copy over here also. According to this wall and according to this one. Okay, sorry, I will provide here one big window. RAC. See, in meter we will give W size 1.5. Okay, but in feet we will give 6 feet. Okay, what is the wall size? 9 inches comma 6 feet. See, what is the differences between 4 feet and 6 feet? Okay, this is a 4 feet window. This is W1 and this is W. Okay, you have to give again multi-line inside. Okay, now you have to give this window according to this wall in center. Okay, and one more window is there, that is W2 REC. What is W size? In feet we will give the size was zero point 0.9. Okay, zero point 0.9. Now I am giving here 3 feet, sorry, REC comma 3 feet comma wall size 9 inches. Enter. again multi-line, okay, and paste. Okay, now here we have to give a text, the text command. Okay, we have to give in center, and you can able to see starting we given 9 inches. Here it's showing 9 inches. Okay, now I am giving here living hall. Okay, living hall. Same thing I'm copying over here. This is our this is our drawing. Okay, okay, okay. Now here we have to give kitchen, kitchen. Okay, you have to rotate this text RO. Here you have to write yes, washing. Okay, this text I shown over here, and you have to show here. This text is too much big. I'll give here 4.5 inches. Okay, else we have to give yes 6. Okay, here you have to show open. Open, open space. Okay, wherever we are giving open space you have to show must over there. Okay, why? Because if you draw like this and you did not give any kind of uh, text, means whom you are showing the drawing, they will confuse, completely confused. You are showing good drawing but you are not showing a text, means it's not good. Okay, this area was your parking. Okay, or parking. Okay, in this I am not showing any kind of dimensions. Inshallah I will send in group soonly. You can able to see what uh, how much the dimension sizes for each room. Okay, why? Because now our class timing also finished. This is our today new drawing. today's first fit drawing. Okay, for this today's class related, you have any kind of questions you can able to ask. We have 3 minutes. Okay, yeah, anyone? Faiz, Aisha, Siddiqa, Fahama, you guys can able to understand today's class, na? Unmute yourself and
Yes,
tell me. Fahama, you are
yes,
telling
sir.
something I could not hear. What?
Sir, what about this? You are not mentioning the dimensions.
Yeah, I'll mention and send in our group. Okay, why? Because now time is less. That's why I'm not showing because of time. Okay, inshallah, I will mention the text and will post in our group. Okay, but how I use this by using line and rectangle command. So, today's class you can able to understand, ना?
Yes, sir.
आज की
But
क्लास आप
something
लोग को
is
समझ में
written
तो आई ना?
here
अगर कुछ डाउट
besides
है तो
all.
पूछ
What?
सकते हैं.
What was the?
Which one? Which one? Which one?
Here something is
Okay,
written
that part.
here.
Yeah, okay, okay. We missed this part also, na? Okay. We have to give here also ventilator. Okay. And here we have to show one window. Okay. Now I am giving here 9 inches and comma 3 feet. Okay. We have to show one small window over here. Again multi-line. Okay, for this one, for this bedroom we are showing two ventil two ventilations. Two, here also it will come brightness and here also it will come brightness. Okay, this one was our if some guys is there, means who are creating a house, they can able to keep a door over here, or else they may remove and they will keep directly. That's why I'm showing this wall over here. Okay, and anything doubts related to today's class?
सर अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये
Alaykum salam, tell me.
सेमी सेमी सर्कुलर जो है शैम्फर्ड यूज करें कि आर्क यूज करें सर कमांड?
I could not able to hear your voice properly.
सर सेमी सर्कुलर जो करे हैं ये हाल
जी.
को शैम्फर्ड कमांड है या आर्क कमांड है?
ये वाला, ये
हाँ,
ये आर्क से
ये
भी कर सकते हैं आप, और एक क्या है सर्कल से भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मैं जो ये डिजाइन ड्रॉ किया हूँ ये मैं फ्लिट कमांड से यूज किया हूँ. ठीक है,
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
अगर आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो फ्लिट का मैं यहाँ पर एक शॉर्ट एग्जांपल बताता हूँ क्योंकि ज्यादा टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास. ओके,
जी जी
यहाँ देखिए मैं एक बॉक्स ले लिया हूँ, इसको एक्सप्लोड किया हूँ. अभी मुझको आर्क लेके आना है तो एफ एंटर एम एंटर. खाली मैं अभी ये कॉर्नर्स ज्वाइंट करने के लिए हम एफ एंटर एम एंटर यूज करते हैं, लेकिन अब हमको आर्क बनाना है तो हम क्या करते हैं, ये लाइन को और ये लाइन को, मतलब बिल्कुल उसके ऑपोजिट वाले लाइन को अगर हम फ्लिट करेंगे तो हमको ये आर्क, ये हाफ सर्कल मिल जाएगा. अब उसी तरीके से नीचे देखिए, ये सर्कल को और ये सर्कल. ठीक है, ये
अच्छा
फ्लिट कमांड से हम ये यूज कर ले सकते हैं. उसके बाद
अच्छा
मूव किक कर लीजिए आप, देखिए ये आपका शेप ड्रॉ हो गया. ऐसा आप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है,
फ्लैट कमांड से
कुछ भी अगर आपको डाउट्स वगैरह है तो पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है
जी
जी. नईमुद्दीन साहब, आपको कुछ समझ में आया?
जी
यू कैन
आया आया
अंडरस्टैंड टुडेस?
फ्लैट, हाँ
ओके
फ्लैट कमांड यूज कर.
okay okay, inshallah we will continue tomorrow. Now time is up. Okay, if you have any kind of doubts related to today's class, you may call me. Okay, Allah Hafiz. We'll meet